Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explain what the VIP program is, who qualifies, and how you can become a VIP. The program is designed for high-level traders, investors, and institutional users. VIP members only enjoy lower trading fees, special customer support, a dedicated account manager, access to OTC trading, VIP crypto loans, and exclusive promotions. Binance offers VIP level 1 through 9 with better rewards at each higher level. You can qualify by meeting Binance requirements for trading volume, account balance, crypto loans, or Binance Earn investment. You will also need to hold a minimum amount of BNB. Binance reviews your eligibility daily and updates your VIP status automatically. If you are already a VIP on another exchange, Binance may match or even upgrade your VIP level through its VIP invitation program. Binance also runs limited time promotions that make it easier to qualify for VIP status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.